Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set alarm in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your clock apps. After that, to create a new alarm, just tap on this plus icon. Now from here set any time. From here you can set hour, and from here you can set minute. Then set AM or PM, and then set your day. You can choose all the 7 days. You have to just check or uncheck days from here, and from here you can set your alarm name. After that, set your alarm sound from here. Choose any ringtone, then increase or decrease your alarm volume. From here you can enable or disable your vibration and set snooze. You can set any duration as you want. If I select 5 minutes and repeat 3 times and then go back, then scroll down, and from here you can set your alarm background. You can customize it. Just tap here and set any time. If you want to find more background, just tap on background option, then allow all, and then choose any background, then tap on done, and it's done. Then just tap on save, and you can see alarm has been set successfully. Also, if you want to delete any alarm, just touch and hold it, then tap on delete, and it's deleted successfully. You can also enable or disable your alarm from here. And that is how you can set alarm in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.